Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Bikes and Bud, and today I'm going to be showing you my new blind bag. It comes from Rig'em Right, waterfowl. I believe you can buy it at Bass Pro. Now, I myself am not that much of an avid hunter. These are typically used by fowl hunters or waterfowl hunters to carry their ammo and accessories that you're going to need throughout the day. I'm going to use it on my motorcycle because if you watched a couple videos ago, you know I have a new VTX. There's no saddles on it or anything, and I've been using my wife's leather book bag, and it might look good, but it just doesn't feel like me. So I found this on Facebook Marketplace last night. I believe they actually retail, from what I could find online, for $89, I believe. I got a really good deal on this. I picked it up for $25, and it seems to be in excellent condition. So we'll just go over some of the features it has. There's a spot here. I'll probably put a water bottle. It has a nice little tightening cord there. I guess you could hang it. On the back, there's a couple of hooks here. One of the cool features, being a biker and always having glasses on me, is it has a hard shell built-in glasses case here. So that's pretty excellent. You never have to worry about scratching them, keeping them safe. It has another side pocket right here that we're going to open up. May require my two hands. And that pocket expands quite a bit. There is a mesh thing there where you could put something. You didn't want to move around, but it does give you quite a bit of room to work with. This is what I believe to be the main compartment. And you can see the underside of your glasses case. There are two clear zipper pouches back here. I'll probably use them for paperwork and such. But yeah, I can fit a few things in here. Maybe not as much as I can fit in my wife's book bag, but I think it's going to look a lot better. Also, a neat feature about this blind bag, if you are using it out in the woods, is it has this little metal hook here. This is metal. This is on there, and apparently this is used, gives you the ability to just hang your bag. So you can just hang it up, just like that. So as you can see, there's a little Velcro here. Hook goes back under the Velcro, and then it's not banging around, smashing your stuff up that you have on the inside. I haven't used it yet, other than to wear it on my way home. I went and picked it up this morning in a downpour, and I mean a downpour. I did have to take my bike because that is my primary mode of transportation, and it held up. It's dry. It doesn't look like it's been damaged at all. Last off is this compartment, which I don't think the camera is really doing it justice. It's probably the most spacious compartment in the bag. So I guess if you were a hunter, you would probably store your ammo and stuff in there. I don't know what I'm going to put in there, but I know I have options now. So very happy with this, guys. Let's check out the strap because I haven't really looked at that. The strap seems to be normal quality. I don't see anything, you know, super crazy heavy duty about these clips here or anything, but other than that, it seems to be a great bag. Definitely worth the $25 I paid for it. And honestly, if I went to the store new and I seen this, and I was at Bass Pro and I seen it for 90 bucks, and I still was using my wife's red book bag, I would probably pick this up. But yeah, that's my first impressions on it. I'm going to use it for the rest of the season, and maybe I'll give you guys an updated review on what I think after I've used it some. But as a first overall impression, I really like this bag. It was super comfy on my back. I can adjust it up so it's high enough and it's not sitting on my passenger seat. But I can also rest enough pressure on it that it's not weighing on my back. So, anyways, guys, that has been the Rig-Em-Right waterfowl blind bag. I'm sure I've missed something in the title of that, but until next time, guys, stay crispy.